is a router. It's a Bosch POF 1200AE, and let's see how to use this portion, these steps. This portion is for cutting in increments, so a smaller or larger or even larger depth, that is how much this cutting knife will go down into the wood. And we have to use this portion and that one. Currently the device is unplugged for safety reasons. Now let's modify everything here. So the knife is inserted at a random height, it doesn't matter. Now first press this button and push down everything so that the cutting knife will be in contact with the surface of the wood. This button up here, and it's pushed down. The knife is in contact with the surface. These screws were removed from here, from those three. Bring it up, lock it into place so that we can rotate it. Let's take a look at the lowest one, which is this one. That one and that one should be in line with this one. So that one is the lowest position. That means the deepest position of that knife. So we don't want that one, but let's say this one. From that line down there till the top there are 2 centimeters. So from here where my nail is till the top we have 2 centimeters. So if we want to cut 2 centimeters, that is 20 millimeters, into this wood, this is that 2 centimeters, then we have to take this one as the 0 point, because we have 2 centimeters here. So loosen that one, make it in contact, lock it back to the right, that's the 0 point. As it is now there, it's not cutting into the wood, so it's at 0 depth. Now if I want to cut into the wood, then I have to rotate this one to the next. That is lowering a few millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I have to loosen this and push everything down until it goes there. Push it away so that the knife can exit down. And this should be in contact with the next one, that is, it will go lower. You have to hear that click, that metal to metal contact, like so. And now the knife sticks out 3 millimeters. As you can see, it is not staying level because the knife is lower. Now I can cut. If I want to cut deeper, rotate this to the next one, pull it away so that the knife can go down, push the button here on the top left, and metal to metal contact, and the knife went lower, and so on. So to advance one step lower, just rotate this to the left and push the device down. Rotate to the left completely, and you cut 2 centimeters into the wood. Of course this is not moving, as you can see. Now let's do an actual cutting. Plug it in and cut something. Now to lower it, rotate it there, push the button on the left, make sure this one is in contact with the shaft, and cut. wait until that knife is stopped. Now rotate it. If you rotate it 2 steps and push it down, then the cutting is much slower, of course. Wait until the knife stops, and now let's rotate it to the lowest one and push it down. So now the knife sticks out 2 centimeters. The corners were not yet finished, but that's how to use this portion of this router. If you want to start over, lift it up, put it there and push it down. So don't touch this one, only rotate this one and lift it up.